properties of indifference curve. An indifference curve slopes downwards from left to right. This is because of the inverse relationship between the two commodities. As we increase the consumption of one commodity, the consumption of other commodity is reduced. Therefore, it gives a downward shape to the indifference curve. The other one says indifference curve are convex to the origin. Convex to the origin because of the diminishing marginal rate of substitution. If we have the diminishing marginal rate of substitution, the shape of indifference curve is convex, whereas it will be a straight line in case the MRS is constant, which is also the case for substitute goods. In case of substitute goods, since MRS is constant, we get a straight line. However, for complements, the indifference curve is L-shaped as shown in this diagram. Next it says, higher level indifference curve will give higher level of satisfaction. As seen in this diagram, IC1 is on a lower level and IC2 is on a higher level. Therefore, IC2 will give higher level of satisfaction. Why? Because IC2 will have more commodities of the quantity. The quantities will be more in case of IC2 and less in case of IC1. Therefore, IC2 will give higher level of satisfaction. Indifference curve cannot touch x-axis और y-axis. हम x-axis पे एक commodity लेते हैं, y-axis पे दूसरी commodity लेते हैं. जब दोनों में से कोई भी commodity जीरो नहीं हो सकती, तो फिर indifference curve x-axis और y-axis को touch नहीं कर सकता है. हमने पहले भी किया है कि जब हमें goods consume करने हैं, तो दोनों combination में करने हैं. किसी की भी quantity जीरो नहीं ले सकते हैं. Therefore, it cannot touch x-axis or y-axis. Now let's understand why indifference curve cannot intersect each other. We have two indifference curve IC1. IC1 पे दो points है A and B. Combination A में कितनी units है? 1 and 8. Combination B में कितनी units है? 2 and 6. IC2 पे दो units है C and B combinations है. B में कितनी units है? 2 and 6. C में 3 and 8. As per the law, A is equal to B because it is lying on IC1. IC2 पे B is equal to C. Now since, therefore it implies that A is equal to B is equal to C, but this is not true. Why? अगर आप ग्राफ में देखेंगे कि C higher level पे है as compared to A. Therefore A is on a lower level. Therefore these three cannot be equal. Hence it implies that two indifference curve cannot intersect each other.